Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sam here with CustomPCReview.com. Back here again with another video unboxing for you guys. And today I've got the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, the difference between the Tournament Edition and, say, the regular edition of the Razer Blackwidow is just the fact that this is a 10 keyless keyboard. So 10 keyless means, of course, that you do not have this 10 keypad on the side, and it's going to be a lot more portable. It's good for those guys who like use laptops, or just those guys who are on the go and just don't need that 10 key. So that's what it's for, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. So this is the first 10 keyless keyboard from the guys over at Razer. So I'm very, very excited, to see how it feels and stuff like that. So I believe this keyboard has Cherry MX blue switches, which means that it's going to be clicky, nice. This is like the eco-friendly version of Razer packaging, because this is like recycled material or something. It's got this nice Razer logo right there. For gamers, by gamers, the Razer motto. And we'll take a look. Ooh, look at that. It's got this nice felt-lined cover and everything. And looks like this is very nice, guys. Look at that. So you can kind of already hear it clicking. So definitely we've got some Cherry MX blues down there. It's got this carrying pouch and everything. This thing's actually very, very cool. I'm actually already liking it. So in here we've got a detachable USB cable. And let's just open it up to see how long it is. So it's a fairly long USB cable. Gold plated on either end for better resistance to corrosion, and it's braided as well, so it's going to be more durable than non-braided cables. Oh yeah, guys, check this out. So there's something else in here. All right, I guess let's take a look at the accessories first. Usual manuals, I guess. More or less. We've got the Razer stickers right here. We've got the join the Razer cult, I guess, right there. It's got a nice picture of this. I don't think this keyboard glows because it's got a very matte finish to it, but Synapse 2.0. We've got quick start guide, master guide. What's a master guide? Cool, looks like there are macro functionalities and everything on this. So, all right, you got a master guide, and you've got, I guess, a master guide in French, mode d'emploi, French. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the keyboard itself while I get rid of all this stuff real quick. And you guys could gawk at the keyboard. And, check that out. So this keyboard's actually very similar to the Blackwidow regular edition, except that it's got this nice matte finish now. So I'm very glad that Razer went with the matte finish. With the other keyboards, they actually had this glossy finish that looks exactly like this, and it would get dirty very fast. Fingerprints everywhere, smudges, and it looked good for the first like 10 minutes, but after that, it was kind of terrible. So back here we've got a lot of feet actually. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber feet, so probably won't slip. Down here, even these feet have rubber finish, so it's not going to slip at all. The keyboard is actually slightly raised. You can see that right there. This is very. This is actually how the Razer Blackwidow was. So it's got a little raised platform back here, so it's naturally raised a bit. But if you want a little more, you can always use the feet on the bottom, raise it that extra little bit if you like it that way. So in terms of the layout, we've got the long shift key here, long shift key here, long backspace, long enter key. Very nice, very US layout. We've got Windows key here, so that's good, but yes, we also have a game mode. So this game mode's gonna disable this Windows key, so those of you guys who don't like that. there it is. We've got the arrow keys. We've got all the usual stuff except for the 10 keypad. Up here we've got some media keys, so the volume keys, the track forward, back, pause. This looks like a macro key right here, so not sure how that works yet, but definitely be in the full review. So I'll post a link in the description box below as soon as that's ready. Looks like we have lighting, but I think the lighting's just for the logo. This was the same as on the Razer Blackwidow Standard Edition. So the logo probably lights up, and we have the sleep, pause, break button as well. So yeah, you know what? I'm actually very curious to see if this thing lights up. So give me a second, guys. I'm going to go plug it in. All right, guys. So I'm back. I got it plugged in, and as I expected, this Razer logo does light up green. So for those of you guys who actually have a lot of different Razer peripherals, you know, the mice I know glow green as well. So it'll definitely match that very well. You can turn it off if you want, or you can light it up if you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type a little bit on this, so just for the feel of it. All right, so that is pretty much it for this keyboard. Whoa. All right, check it out. This lights up green as well. That's interesting. Let's see if this does. Yeah, so when game mode's on, that thing lights up green as well. And macro kind of does that. So overall, very, very cool looking keyboard. Very impressed with the accessories that they're throwing in, you know, stuff like this bag right here. Very, very nice little value add, especially for those guys who travel, you know, to different places, play games, maybe a LAN party or something, and just need a quick keyboard on the go that looks great. And that's that. I actually have another keyboard that I want to show you guys, give you guys a little comparison. So this is the all too popular CM Storm Quick Fire Rapid. It's also another Tenkeyless keyboard. And here you can look at a comparison between the two. This one uses Cherry MX Blues as well. This blue actually sounds a bit louder than this one, in my opinion. So it seems like Razer has tweaked with the treble a little bit. This one just feels a lot more loud, and this one feels like it's dampened at the bottom. So that's great for those of you guys, you know, who don't want the keyboard being way too loud. Although I don't know why you'd buy a Cherry MX Blue keyboard if you're worried about that. But otherwise, comparison right here, if you guys are interested. That's all I really have for you guys. A couple more product shots come along the way, so definitely stick around for that. Full review as soon as it's ready in the description box below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. They're plugged in, so hold on, guys. All right, guys, so I'm back. I got the Corsair Dominator Platinums installed into one of the systems I have here, and this is actually my Sandy Bridge i7-2600K setup here. It's got a Corsair H70 water cooler, and one thing I noticed about the Dominator Platinums is actually that they are fairly high profile. So one